Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to rename a Microsoft form. This simple adjustment helps keep your surveys, quizzes, and feedback tools organized and easy to recognize. To begin, navigate to the Microsoft Forms website. You can find it via a web search or through the app launcher if you already use Microsoft Office tools. Once the page loads, your first step is to log in. Select the Sign In button and prepare your credentials. This standard security measure protects your data. On the following screen, input the email address linked to your Microsoft account and click Next. Then, carefully enter your password and hit Next again. These steps ensure only authorized users can access your forms. After logging in, you will arrive at the Microsoft Forms dashboard. This area displays all your existing documents and allows you to start new projects. To proceed with our task, find the specific form you want to modify from your collection and click on it to open the editor. With the form open, look at the current title displayed at the top. Whether you are fixing a typo or updating the name to reflect new content, changing it is easy. Simply click directly on the title text to activate the editing field. You can now erase the previous name and type in your new, descriptive title. A clear name makes it much simpler for you and your respondents to identify the form's purpose instantly. Once you finish typing, there is no need to search for a Save button because Microsoft Forms updates your changes automatically. It really is that basic. For better productivity, try using specific titles and consistent naming patterns, especially when managing multiple projects or classes. This habit maintains order and saves time during future searches. That concludes this walkthrough on renaming your Microsoft Forms. Mastering this quick skill helps you stay organized while using this powerful survey tool. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope these steps were useful. Good luck with your form creation.